Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your skin? Have you tried everything to smooth out those stubborn bumps, but nothing seems to work? Many people struggle with skin texture and elasticity, searching for solutions that often fall short. DIY remedies can be messy, time-consuming, and often lead to disappointment. The truth is, most alternatives simply don't deliver the results you're hoping for. Enter CelluCare, a revolutionary supplement designed to help support your skin's appearance from the inside out. Unlike topical treatments, CelluCare focuses on nourishing your body with essential nutrients that promote healthy skin. Its unique formula combines powerful ingredients that work together to enhance your skin's elasticity and texture. In a recent study, users reported a noticeable improvement in